Okay folks, back here I'm working on another one of these guitars, and this is the Melody Maker Acoustic, okay? And I decided that I'm going to try to liberate this fender neck, because it's a good neck and it's in great shape. Just needs some of this took off of it so I can get it into these bodies, because I got one of these and I'm making the other half of it. So let me get the other half made, and then we're going to liberate this neck. But I'm going to see if I can get all of this off back to this horn right here. You see this? So I need to get this block and this off, and then I need to see if I can trim off this stuff here and here to get that off of it. But I got to leave my truss rod adjustment and as much of this as I can. So I'm just going to kind of do some, well, surgical work with a saw. So let's go for it. See if we can get this thing out of here. If it don't go right, yeah, well, guess what? We'll either make another way to put it in, or we'll make another neck. So, you know, we got that to do. And hey, all goes bad, we'll make one and put this on it, or that on it, or maybe even that on it. So, hey, this one here's got to get done, and this is the way I want to get it done. I'm going to put this neck in it and make it go. So let's see how it works. But yeah, I'm definitely going to change the shape of that somehow. It's got to, yeah, need modifying. So we'll get rid of the green and change the shape. Let's get at it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of chuck this up in the vise. Pull it on it, just kind of snug it up. I ain't going to go crazy, because I ain't going to cut at it real hard for start with, I don't think. Now, what we want to do, we need to get this off of here. From here to here, this has got to go to get this out. So all this has got to come out, and then we'll find a way to get it back in. So we'll glue another block in it. You cut this green stuff and it stinks. Let's make us a little more round. I wonder if I could go down this way and then get it where I could break it out. Pin. You got dowel rod. It's got a dowel rod in it right there. Okay, I modified it and cut off as much as I could of what was on the sides of it and the green that was on it. And I pretty much de-greened that end of it. It's got a little nub right there. And I have to redo the headstock, but I was going to change the shape of it anyway, so that'll be okay. Now this is going to go in like that. Okay, folks, this here's Melody, and she's on the way to getting the rest of her stuff. She's got to have some more wood in here and the block in here and a top. Yeah, we've got to make a top for it, so we'll get it done. But it's going to kind of work out, and it's going to look kind of like that when it's done, without the clamps, I hope. You know, but yeah, without the clamps. And I got some shaping to do right here around the horn, and I'll get that shaped up like I want. But otherwise, I think I'm going to make it work. So we'll see. Hey, y'all follow along. We'll get this one done. We'll get another one. We'll work on the other ones a little bit. Hang out.